On the block right now is perhaps the creme de la creme of the LS6 lineup that we have here in Indianapolis, Professor Craman. 1970 LS6 convertible.
Yeah, convertible 4-speed. That would be all of those ingredients. Let's start there with that LS6 power plant, 454 cubic inches, 450 horsepower. You take a look inside, you will see the 4-speed shifter.
Here it is.
Oh, no console, look at that. Ready for business. 410 gears.
Bids are flying around this building right now.
Cowl induction hood, over $300,000 so far. Documented, his car was originally sold up in Canada, and they kept a different paperwork archives up there than down here in the U.S.
400,000.
They're asking 450. Want to knock them out of 5? 500.
$500,000. Wow. And the reserve is off.
Yep.
Okay, now we need to be 550. We're in at 550.
Telephone aggressive. Top bidder right now, currently $550,000.
Your reserve's off. Okay, now we need to be 6. They're asking 6. 6.
There you go. Are we at 600,000? Yes, we are.
Goodness,
We're in the 600. We're in the 600. Right, it's at the end of the block. He's getting the hammer out. Sold it. 600.
Oh, my goodness, John.
$600,000 for what you called, Scott, the creme de la creme of the LS6 lineup we have here.